السلام عليكم يا سجا. ياسين، how are you؟ ازيكم حبايبي؟ عاملين ايه؟
الحمد لله
اخباركم ايه؟
كويسين الحمد لله.
يا رب دايما. جانا وسجا ياسين. ياسين انت داخل بتو اكونتس؟ Okay. Yasin, you have two accounts, Yasin?
نعم.
You have two
لا.
accounts?
لا.
Okay. Let's start. Jana, Saja, Yasin. Okay. At the end of the session on the yesterday, we took on the video, how can we solve the equation? Do you remember? How can I solve the equation? If I have equation like this. X plus 3 equals 8. Who can tell me how can I get the value of x? X plus 3 equal 8. What shall I do? Sajid, what shall I do, Sajid? Do you remember? What shall I do to get the value of x?
We do 8 minus 3.
Yeah, super. I will move plus 3 to the opposite side by the inverse. What is the inverse?
Do 8 minus 3.
Yes, super. It will be minus. So x, it will be equals 8 minus 3. So x, it will be equal 5. Super, yes, Sajid. Thank you. Grade prep what, yes, Sajid? Sajid, prep what?
Prep 1.
Prep 1, tab. Yasin.
Yes.
2 equals 10. How can I get the value of x? Do you remember how can I get it?
Yes, I will move the 2 to the 10 by divided.
Yes, super. I will transfer 2 to the opposite by divided. So the x, it will be equal 10 divided by 2
equal 5.
Yes. Yes, super. Yasin. 5. If I have y minus 7 equals 2, how can I get the value of y? Jana, what should I do to get the value of the y? Jana, I want to get the value of the y. How can I get it? Do you remember how can I get it? Jana, do you know? Jana. طيب هو كان جنى يلا answer يا سجن answer.
We do 7 plus 2 equals 9.
Super. I will transfer 7 to the opposite by the inverse. What is the inverse of minus? Move to the opposite by plus. Yes, so the y, it will be equal to the y, it will be equal to the 9. Super يا ولاد. يبقى أنا عندي هنا كده الكونكلوجن بتاعي. أي equation البروبرتيز بتاعتها if I have minus in subtraction move to the opposite by plus. Okay? If I have plus move to the opposite by minus. If I have divided move to the opposite by multiply. If I have multiply move to the opposite by division. There is any question? There is any question here? Saja, Yasin, Jana. There is any question? يا ولاد, there is any question?
No.
Clear? Okay, next. Who can answer? Before answering, who can tell me what is the meaning of natural number? Who can tell me? If you know, raise your hand if you please. What is the natural number? Do you remember? What is the natural number? Yasin. What is the natural number, Yasin? Answer.
All number except 0.
All number except 0.
With 0.
All number with 0. طب like what? Give me example.
From 0 to infinity.
يعني 0. Continue كده 0.
1 2 3 4.
طب what's your opinion? Who raise your hand? Saja. What's your opinion?
I agree.
Agree?
Yes.
Okay. طيب what about you? What's your opinion, Jana? Jana, do you hear me? Can you answer?
Me, I want to
You
answer.
can send answer يا عمر. What is the natural number? Yasin said
0.
It's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
2 3 and so on.
Yes, super. تمام. Yasin said like this. تمام. Super يا شباب. The natural number which is 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So the natural number contains all whole positive number with a 0. Type. What about Z, which is called the integer number? Who can tell me what is the Z? If you know, raise your hand. Saja. Say. Answer. What is the Z? What is the integer number?
It has Z positive and Z minus. It takes all numbers, even if it's negative.
Yes. So it's Z, which contains all positive numbers and negative. Type. Give me example about the numbers, if you please.
Like -1 and 1.
Yes. Yes.
And -2.
Is Z contains a 0 or no? Yes.
No.
Negative. No. Okay. يعني -1 and 1, -2 and 2, and so on. Z doesn't contain the 0. طيب. What's your opinion يا Omar? What's your opinion? Z contains 0 or no? Saja said no. Hey Omar, Z contains 0 or no? Z doesn't. تمام. Yasin, Z contains 0 or no?
No.
No. Jana, Z contains 0 or no?
My answer is yes.
Yes. Okay, super يا جنى. يا ولاد Z contains all whole positive and negative and with 0. Z, which is called the integer number, contains all negative number, -3, -2, -1, and 0, and 1, 2, 3, and so on. Do you remember all negative number called what? Who is here?
Z minus.
Z what? See Z what?
Z minus.
Super. Super. Type 1, 2, 3, 4 called what?
Z positive. Z positive.
Super. Z positive. So the Z, which is called integer number, contains Z negative union set of 0 union Z positive. يبقى أنا عندي ال Z contains all whole number positive and negative and 0. Clear?
Okay.
Okay? طيب يبقى أنا natural number which is 0 and 1 and 2 and 3 and so on. Z, which is contains negative and 0 and positive. If I want to get the set and cancel 0 is called يا أولاد Z star. Z star contains all positive and all negative except 0. Not 0. Cancel 0 and put 1, 2, 3. Okay? Any set of numbers cancel 0, put star على طول. Okay, clear? Understood me or no? There is any question till now?
Yes. No.
There is any question?
No. No.
No. Okay. طيب. Who can solve x plus 21 equal 8? طيب يلا. Each one, if you please, solve and send your answer in the chat box. Or open your cam and show me your answer. Send your answer in the chat box يا ولاد. يلا.
ياسين وريني المسألة عشان بكتبها في الشات بوكس. وريني المسألة.
Who's first? فين? Where is the answers? Yes, Saja. No. Check your answer. Saja. Revise كده your answer. Revise. Not for everyone. Not to everyone يا Saja. Which is equal what? You don't have a calculator يا Jana? To get the final answer? X equal what?
No, sorry, بعتها بالغلط.
Okay. It's correct. But you must get the final answer.
Yes, I know, but أنا لسه ما خلصتش final answer.
طب okay. No, Yasin, no. $13, not 13. Check يا جماعة. Check.
The answer is negative 13.
Yes, super. Super يا جنى. جنى is the first. It's not 13 يا سجا. It's not 13 يا عمر, which is negative 13. طيب سجا, can you, sorry, جنى, can you answer with me, if you please?
Okay.
يلا. Look carefully يا أولاد, and then I will take another one. يلا. How can I answer يا جنى? Answer with me if you please.
المسألة.
X plus 21 equal 8. I want the value of X in Z. يلا.
Okay.
What shall I do?
So
Yes.
the operation is plus.
Yes, super. The operation
So
is plus.
we will put it in the inverse operation, so it will be minus.
So I will transfer it in the opposite, so it will be minus. Okay. So X.
So X equal
Yes.
8 minus
Yes.
21.
Yes, super. Minus 21. Yes, Ajay. X equal 8 minus 21. If I write in the calculator, so the axis equal what? Continue, Jana, if you please.
It is negative 13.
Negative 13. Right. I will ask you another question. Negative 13. In Z or no?
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. So the solution set, which is equal -13. If the number is not on the set, the solution set would be equal 5. Do you remember the 5?
Yes.
Yes. There is any question till now? Easy or no? I can repeat. Saja, understood? The final answer is -13, not 13 only. Yassine, understood?
Yes.
Yes. Take another one. Take another one. طب يلا, take another one. Omar, what do you want? What do you want? You send the chat box.
No, I'm sorry.
Okay, طيب. Another one, and also send your answer in the chat box. Okay. X
Okay.
minus سهلة 12 equals 7 in n. يلا send your answer in the chat box. أنا طيبة أهو, سهلة أهي. أنا عايزة all of you answer quickly. Super Yassine first. Okay. That's a second.
I'm Jana.
Jana, what is your answer? Jana, yes. Jana first, and then Yassine second. Saja third. Where is the rest? Where is the rest? Where is your Omar? What is your answer? Yeah, Omar, what is your answer? Omar, what is your answer, ya Omar? No. Answer with me يا عمر. يبقى كده جانا first, ياسين second, سجا third. يلا answer with me كده يا عمر. If you please answer with me. Open your mic and answer with me. Excel.
Sorry.
طب يلا what shall I do?
19.
Yes, super. I will transfer -12 to the opposite by what يا عمر?
Plus.
Yes, super. So the x, it would be equal 7 plus 12.
Plus 12 equal 19.
Yes, super. So the x type 19 in n or no?
Yes.
Yes. So the solution set will be equal to 19. Okay, تعالوا نصعبها بقى شوية. يلا مين؟ What shall I do? طيب, you have 5 minutes for answer and send your answer in the chat box. If you don't know, I will answer together. You have 5 minutes for answer alone. يلا. Try to answer.
أنا عارف والنبي
I finished.
يلا answer and send your answer in the chat box.
I finished.
Miss.
I will. Yes. Jana, super يا Jana.
أقول الإيكويشن.
You send your answer to
هتبقى 3x equal هتبقى 3x.
Super يا سجا. Super يا عمر. Where is the rest? Where is Yassine? What is your answer, Yassine?
Yes, ممكن أقول الإيكويشن.
Super. طيب who can answer that with me? What is the first? The first is Jana. سجا. يلا يا سجا عشان أزعلك. يلا يا سجا.
Okay. First, we do 7 plus 2, which equals 9, and then we divide 9 divided 3.
1 minute. 3 by x minus 2 equals 7. First step, I must transfer it positive in plus or minus first. Yes, 3x, it will be 7 plus 2, which is equal 9. And then continue, Omar.
Yes.
Continue. Complete. 3 by x equal 9. What shall I do next? Find the value of x.
هنعمل أقول.
Yes.
هنعمل 9 divided 3.
Yes. move 3 to the
هتطلع ال x equal 3.
Yes, 9 divided by 3. So the x, it will be equal to the 3. Yasin. Yasin. 3 belong to the Z or no?
Belong to Z.
Belong to the Z. Jana, so the solution set will be equal what?
3.
3. Jana, if I want to check my answer, what shall I do, ya Jana?
We will make 3 multiply 3 minus 2.
Yes, super. If I want to check, ya Shabab, if I want to check, I will make put each substitute, cancel x, and put the value of the solution set. So I will make 3 by 3 minus 2. 3 by 3 equal 9. 9 minus 2 equals 7. So my answer is correct. If I want to check my answer, I will cancel each x and put the value. If I get the answer, so I will end my answer is correct. Understood?
Yes.
Yes, super. Okay, this is the steps for getting the value of x. يلا بينا solve this quiz. One minute, this is the quiz. Okay, I will answer 10 questions only because the time of the session. Okay, let's start. يلا بينا. Number 1. Start. يلا يا ساجد. Number 1.
Okay. For a field trip, 4 students rode in cars and the rest filled 9 buses. How many students were in each bus if 472 students were on the trip?
I want to write the equation. Okay? Write the equation. For a field trip, 4 students, تمام, rode in the car and the rest filled 9 buses. تمام. How many students were in each bus if I have 479?
4 plus 9x equal 472.
I choose it. 1 minute. Yes, super. Super, Yajan. Next, who want to answer? Yalla ya Omar. Number 2. Yalla ya Omar.
Sum of 3 consecutive even number is 48. What are the smallest of this number?
Sum of 3 consecutive even number is 48. What are the smallest of these numbers? What shall I do?
هتبقى 3x زائد 6 equal 48.
Yes. 1 minute. Super. Okay. Okay. Next. Who's next? Who want to answer? Who's next? كده يا ولاد. مين اللي جاوبها؟ أنا عندي سجا. Who answered? ياسين. يلا ياسين. يلا بينا. ياسين. What is the inverse? What inverse would you do second in a two-step problem?
Subtract.
What?
Addition and subtract.
Addition and subtract? No. The second step the second step for the equation. انت عندك ال first move with plus or minus، بعد كده move with multiply or divide. اوكي؟
مش احنا بنعمل multiply divide الأول بعد كده الماينس
No. If I have example like this. If I have equation like this, 2, 1 minute. If I have example like this, 2, طيب 1 minute بس finish and then I will add 2x plus 3 equals 13. What is the first step? المultiply ولا البلس والماينس الأول؟
الأول المفروض الملتبلاي.
No. لا, to find the value of x, what is the first?
الفاليو هنعمل الأول هنعمل البلس هنخليها ماينس.
Yes. وإيه second step؟ ها؟
هنعمل الباي ديفايدد.
بس هو ده اللي بيسألك عليه. يبقى أنا عندي first step البلس move to the opposite by minus. So the 2x equals 10. Yes?
Yes.
The second step in multiply or divided move to the opposite. Understood? Okay?
Yes.
Okay, who can answer? Who want to answer? يلا يا جنى. Okay.
How many packages of diapers can you buy with 40 pounds if each package costs 8 pounds?
How many?
The first answer.
This? No. How many packets? No. Next, who can answer? عمر؟
أنا جاوبت.
مين؟ عمر جاوب. مين ما جاوبش لسه لغاية دلوقتي؟
محدش كلمة.
المفروض بقى نبدأ من سجة تاني.
يلا ماشي. يلا يا ساجد.
Inverse on both sides.
What is the first step to solve any equation?
Inverse on both sides.
Yes. No. Box and balance. What is the meaning of box and balance? Which I make لازم تعملي balance ما بين الاثنين. البلس والماينس move first يا ساجد. Okay?
Okay.
طيب. Next. ساجد. يلا جنى. يلا يا جنى. أنا حفظت كده خلاص. يلا جنى.
Yes.
يلا answer. Mary. يلا read an answer.
Mary earns 14 pounds per hour. Which equation represents how many hours she worked to earn 112 pounds? Wait a moment. The second answer.
Yes, super. Yes. يلا عمر. وجان ياسين.
Yes.
يلا read.
Write an equation. Jill sold half of her comic books and then got 16 more. She now has 36. With how many did she begin?
And then got 16 more.
First answer.
And 36. more يعني هي x over 2 plus هي زودت عليهم كمان 16 increase by 16. Okay?
Great.
Not minus plus. Okay ياسين؟ يلا عمر. عمر. يا عمر. Are you here? عمر.
ميس أنا
What?
يس.
يلا. The
لا،
last one.
ياسين اللي هيجاوب مش أنا.
ياسين
اللي
العكس.
هيجاوب مش أنا.
ماشي يلا ياسين. طب ماشي حقك عليا أنا آسف. يلا ياسين. ياسين.
أيوة
يلا. The last one.
هتبقى 12 واحد.
Yes, super easy. Okay. And then let's continue. Do you remember the meaning of inequality? What is the difference between equation and inequality? Do you remember the inequality?
Yes.
Yes. Type, can you tell me what is the difference between equation and inequality? If you know.
The answer?
See.
حضرتك محتاجة إيه؟
يعني if I want to answer this, what is the difference between equation and equality? What is the difference? If the middle sign is equal or more or less or what?
هي المصري ما بينهم بس الساينز.
الساين is equal or more than or less than in the inequality.
In the inequality, more than.
Okay, in equation the middle sign is equal. In inequality the middle sign which is more than or less than or whatever. طيب how can I solve it? X plus 5 more than to 3. How can I get the answer? What shall I do? I see.
I will take the 5, the other.
Super.
I will change the sign.
Yes. To be what?
So X to
Yes.
be X and 3 minus 5.
Yes. Accept. Yes. Super. Okay. Continue يا سجا. Or complete يا سجا.
Yes.
Complete.
Wait, I want to ask a question.
Yeah. What's your question?
It says that X belong to natural number, but
Yes.
if we do 3 minus 5, it will turn out negative.
Yes.
So how will it be natural?
Wait, and then I will answer your question. Okay? But continue now. X, continue such X which is more than 3 minus 5. Yes?
Yes.
So the X which is more than what?
Minus 2.
Okay, negative 2. Okay, or minus 2. Okay? If I want to get the solution set, in Z is what? If I want to get the solution set, in N is what? I want to get the all number in Z which they are more than negative 2. Yes?
Yes.
So the number it will be what?
Negative 2.
No, I don't take negative 2 because I don't have equal sign.
Oh.
So I will take the numbers which they are more than negative 2. So they
Negative
are what?
Negative.
Negative 1. Move to the right. Move to the right on the number line. Number line like this. This is the negative 2. I want the number which they are more than negative 2. So I will move to the right. Yes?
Yes.
0, 1, 2, and so on. So the solution set in Z, it will be equal what?
-1
Yes.
and 0.
Yes. Super. And
1,
yes. And
2,
and so.
so on.
Okay. What about in N?
5.
No. I choose only the number from the number line which they are belong to the natural number.
Okay, so
It will be equal what?
0.
Yes, start from the 0. I will neglect all negative number and start from 0. So the final answer, it will be equal what? 0.
0, 1,
Yes.
2,
Yes.
3,
3 and
so on.
yes. Okay. This is the difference between equation and inequality. The equation, I want to give the value of x, which is equal to 1 value or 2 value. But in the inequality, I want all number which they are more than, less than, more than or equal, less than or equal, according to the sign. Okay? But in solving it, like the equation, el plus يا ولاد, move to the opposite by minus. El minus move to the opposite by plus. Multiply move to the opposite by divided. Divided move to the opposite by multiply. Understood or no?
Understood.
Understood.
I would repeat. طيب تعالوا كده نشيك عليها تاني.
ميس ممكن repeat؟
اوكي حاضر. اهو بص كده معايا. الاكس plus ال 5 more than ال 3. The first step, ال plus move to the opposite by minus. So ال x is what? More than what?
Okay.
Till now, there is any question?
No.
No. Then I want to find the solution set in Z. It means this is the side is a big and this side is a small. Yes or no?
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
I want all numbers in Z which they are more than -2. If I draw the number line, if I want to get the number which they are more than -2, they will move to the right. Yes, to increase.
Yes.
Because I want the great numbers which they are greater than -2. So I will take
Right.
-1. Yes, which they are what is the
-1.
number? Yes,
-1, 0,
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, and so on.
Okay, so the solution set in Z, they are -1, -0, 1, 2, and so on. And if you want to represent it in the solution in the number line, I will draw the number line and draw the arrow which represented the solution set.
Okay.
Clear till now?
Yes.
Okay, fine. What about if I want to give the number, the solution set in N, on the natural number?
هتبقى natural 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on.
Yes. Can I take the negative?
No.
Can I take the negative in natural number? Yes or no?
No.
What?
No. Can I take the negative number if I want to get in N?
No, no, no,
No.
no.
No. I take what? I take the numbers which they are on natural number only. What is the number on the natural? What is the
0,
number?
0,
Yes.
The
positive-
positive
3.
numbers.
Okay, fine. Can I cancel this and put one letter? Is 0 وال1 وال2 وال3
No.
ليه؟ ال0 وال1 وال2 وال3 وال4 and so on دي ان which set؟ الزد ولا الان؟
كنت ممكن احط الان.
بس كده اوكي.
الان او الزد بس.
صح؟ لا
Yes.
الزد positive no. الزد positive doesn't contain 0. Take care.
Yes.
Yes? I want
Yes.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Now, what is the set which contain all these numbers, which is natural number?
Natural.
Okay يا ولاد؟
Okay.
طيب. طبعا لا احنا قبل البلاي. يلا بلاي جيم. طيب before playing a
Okay.
game. Okay. أنا عايزة بس give to you one example and I want to solve alone and send your answer in the chat box if you please. ممكن؟
Okay.
To
Okay.
check بس you understood or no. طيب.
Okay.
2x plus 5 smaller than 25 in Z. يلا هتبقى سهلة.
Miss, I have finished and sent the
answer. Yasin, I want to write the solution set. Write the solution set. What is the number in the solution set?
Okay. مظبوط كده.
I take it 10 or no?
What?
Take it 10 or no? Take it 10 or no?
Take it.
Take it. طيب طب wait and see. Sajid. What do you want, ya Sajid?
I want to ask a question.
What's your question?
So in the solution set, do we like skip the 10 and put the numbers bigger than it, or do we put the 10 and it's just for negative?
I want the number which is smaller than, not bigger, yes? And I won't take the 10. I don't take the 10 because I don't have the equal sign. This is your mistake, Yasin. Can you hear me, Oled?
Yes.
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 Okay. 2x plus 5 is smaller than 25. If I don't have equal sign, I don't take the 10.
طب ميس أنا عندي سؤال.
But
أنا كتبت إجابة وعايزة أعرف يعني صح ولا غلط.
أيوة what's your answer?
إن الإجابة x smaller than 10.
Yes. Solution set equal
صح
what?
كده؟
Yes. What is the solution set? I want the solution set. Solution set equal what? What is the number in the solution set?
Wait a moment.
Answer.
Solution set
Answer.
equals 11, 12, and
Miss
11, 12.
No. Not 11, yes.
Can I say it?
No, يا سجا. نو نو.
لا أنا ياسين.
يا جنى. ها.
السوليوشن سيت هتكون 9 و8 و7 وسو on يعني في الزد.
سوبر. يس يس يس.
اوكي.
اوكي. ياسين, your mistake, you must doesn't take 10. Yasin, can you hear me?
Yes.
طيب.
Yes.
What about Omar? Where is your answer يا عمر؟ Where is your answer? اوكي يا عمر. اوكي. سجا.
Yes.
طيب. اوكي يا عمر. answer with me كده if you please.
Me?
Yes. عشان انتي عندك.
So we do 25 minus 5.
Equal 20. Okay.
Wait, but we can't use equal in inequality, right?
Yes.
So we have to write greater than.
Why greater? This is smaller than.
Oh, I'm sorry.
This is your mistake, يا سجا. الأكسس, if I move it to the opposite by division, x smaller than ال 10. Yes. This is the small side and this is the big side. What is the meaning of this? It means I want the number which in Z, which they are smaller than ال 10. Okay?
Okay.
يبقى أنا عندي solution set equal what بقى؟
9, 8.
Yes, 9, 8 and so on. Okay?
Okay.
طيب عمر.
Yes.
Yeah. If I put equal sign here, the solution set it will be equal what? Started from what? Started from 9 or started from what?
Started from 1.
1? 1? And see, what's your opinion? If I put equal sign,
Wrong.
wrong. It will be from what? Started from what?
هي السوليوشن سيت هتبقى 10 بس.
10 بس؟
Oh.
No, the solution.
حضرتك قلتي هي equal.
تمام. Equal, it means يا شباب I want the all number in Z which they are less than or equal 10.
Okay.
يعني it means I want
قصدك less than or equal.
Yes. So the solution set equal what بقى؟ هيا
9. From 10, 10, 9, 8.
Yes, yes, super. Start from 10. If I have equal sign, so I would start from 10. If I don't have equal sign, I cancel 10 and put the number before 10. Clear? Okay?
Okay.
If there is any question, you let?
No.
Any question?
No.
Okay.
No.
Now we took the equation in this session. We took the equation and how can I solve it? And then we took the set of numbers and revised what is the meaning of natural and that and so on. And then we took the inequality and how can I solve it? Yes? Okay?
Yes. Okay.
Right. Yalla, let's play again and then our session will be end أصلا. We have 6 minutes. Yalla, quickly. Yalla, quiz. Yalla, start from the first book. Yalla, مين يلا نبتدي بقى. يلا ياسين, start. لسه لما الquestion نبتدي. ياسين, then عمر, then سجا,
Yes.
then جنى.
Okay.
يلا يا يس. If I have negative number, this is a tricky question. If I have negative number, what shall I do in the sign? الساين هتفضل هي كده ولا هيحصل لها ايه؟
شيل النيجاتيف.
To be what?
هتبقى 2k smaller than 18.
2k smaller than, part right, part wrong. Anyone can answer? Share together يلا.
Okay.
Do you remember?
تبقى x is less than -9.
Super. ده مين اللي بيتكلم؟ أنا مش شايف.
عمر.
اوكي تمام عمر. X or K, if I have negative number and I want to divide it, what shall I do in the sign? على طول 18 divided by -2, which is equal 9. Which answer, 1 or 2 or 3 or 4?
2.
Which one?
2.
Okay. Yes, super يا عمر. يلا يا سين. If I multiply or divide it by negative number يا ولاد, the sign it will be flipped. يلا يا سين. Match the graph with the inequality. This 11, 12, 13, 14. What is this inequality? Which represents this graph?
Represents this quality.
What? 1 or 2 or 3 or 4?
The 2.
2, yes. Yes, super. Next. سجا or جنى.
سجا.
أنا قلت إيه؟ يلا سجا.
سجا.
يلا سجا. Which one?
Wait 1 second.
Solve. If you want
Okay.
solve with me.
Is it the first?
One step by step. تعالي كده solve step by step. Okay?
Okay.
طيب -3 move to the opposite by what?
Plus 10 plus 3 equals 13.
يبقى 13. Yes. يبقى الأكس smaller than or equal to 13. Yes?
Yes.
Which one? يبقى number what?
It is the third.
Yes, this is the third. Yes. Okay. هنا. The last one. Which graph matches the inequality x more than or equal -6? More than or equal -6. جنى. جنى. Which one? جنى. يا جنى.
ايه؟
Yes, super. Okay. our session is end يا ولاد.
Okay.
Okay. Understood? There is any question?
No.
No.
There is any question? No.
No.
Today we took the equation and equality and see you next session إن شاء الله.
Okay.
Okay.
إن شاء الله.
إن شاء الله.
السلام عليكم أبناء الطلاب، إن شاء الله تكونوا اتبسطتوا مع مس أسماء. إحنا هنقفل السيشن ونفتح دلوقتي في سيشن عربي مع دكتور عبد الوهاب إن شاء الله هيكون معاكم، تمام؟ فهنقفل السيشن وهنرجع نفتحها تاني دلوقتي بإذن الله. تحياتي.
ده غير
هيديك دلوقتي حاجة.